Okay, folks, this is a little explanation on complex fractions since you have experienced some difficulty with this, and it can be difficult. Here's one of the more difficult problems on complex fractions. Um, I will give you an approach that I think would work in most situations, this particular method. Notice down here at the bottom we have two factors. You have x plus 2 and we have x plus 3, right? So I'm going to rewrite this as x plus 2 and x plus 3. Now, we want to find a common denominator for the top. Now remember, the common denominator are going to be these two factors. We're only going to work with the top right now. So this bar right here, okay, is the big bar. Now, at the top, we're looking for a common denominator, which is going to be x plus 3 and x plus 2. What is this term missing? It's missing an x plus 2. So you may remember that we did this before. That's just 2x plus 4. Now, it is a little tricky with this minus sign. My advice to you has been to change that to a plus negative. The question is what is this factor missing? It's missing that x plus 3. What is negative 1 times x plus 3? It's negative x minus 3. Okay. Now, if you notice over here, we could simplify this top. 2x minus x is x, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So I am going to rewrite the numerator as just x plus 1. And notice I still have my denominator. Okay, you can call this the big numerator and this the big denominator. You could call this the numerator of the big denominator. You could call this the denominator of the big denominator. Notice we have a rational expression divided by a rational expression. One on the top, one on the bottom. Remember what to do. You take the top one and then you multiply it by, well, let me do it this way. You take the top one, you multiply it by the bottom one flipped. So that's what we're going to do. X plus 1 over x plus 3 times x plus 2 times what? Well, the bottom one flipped. X plus 2 times x plus 3 over x plus 5. Now what is dividing out? Well, x plus 2 is divide out, x plus 3 is divide out, and you have an equivalent simplified expression, x plus 2 over x plus 5. So that is a lot simpler, and again, that would be an example of simplifying a complex rational expression. Hope that helps.